Hello, my friends, welcome to my new video. You may already know from the title that, today I'm going to show you, a way that you can use to make around $100 per day. So, without wasting time, let's start the tutorial. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then subscribe it, because every week I try to upload new video. And don't forget to join our Facebook group Premium Share, where you will get new premium tools, traffic system ebooks every day. Okay, first of all, you need a YouTube account. It can be make money related or health related or related to fun, etc. If you are thinking, what will you post on your YouTube channel, or afraid of showing face, then wait, don't worry, you don't need all of that. Just remember, if you are making a YouTube channel on making money niche, then try to share video stories of successful people, motivational videos, wealth quotes, etc. And if your YouTube channel is on health niche, then upload videos related to fitness, weight loss tips, gaining weight, etc. If you are still confused to make your own video, then here is way. What you can do is that, visit in YouTube search bar, type your video keyword and filter the result with Creative Commons and download a video. Now, go to Google Chrome Web Store and install an extension called TubeBuddy. This will help you to find out the best video keywords, based on your niche. Choose the keyword which has low competition but good search volume, so that, if you post your video, you will get ranked faster than others. Now time to edit your video, but before that, we need to select our CPA offer, and for that log in to your CPA network. I'm using here Maxbounty. If you don't have an account in Maxbounty, you can use other beginners-friendly CPA network like CPA Grip or CPA Lead or AdWork Media. Those all are genuine. So don't worry if you earn, they must pay you. Now let's find an offer that's suitable most to your YouTube channel. Check the details and keep them all in Notepad. Now see step by step what I'm doing here. As I select an offer now, I check its offer page and download some of its images, or you can note down its benefits. If you don't know what bridge page, offer page, or landing page is, you can check out our previous video on CPA marketing tutorial step by step. Now we are all done, it's time to edit your video. If you don't have any video editor, you can download a video editor from our Facebook group. Okay, so, we will edit our video like this. After finishing our edit, we are going to post it on YouTube, but wait, you have to maintain here a couple of things. First, make your thumbnail eye-catchy, and put tags in thumbnail image, as well as in your video file too. Second, make your title SEO friendly. And, for that you can get a bit of help from TubeRankJeet. This tool will help you to analyze your video with top rank videos. So, if you are able to score almost 80 to 90, you will get rank higher. You can search in YouTube on how to use TubeRankJeet. A lot of tutorials there, but if you still need help, and want my own research video on this topic, then comment below. I will cover this for you guys. Third step is to put the relevant hashtag and your YouTube channel name in the video description, and don't forget to put your offer link there. Fourth step is that, while uploading your video, make it unleashed, and after 100% upload finish you will get a link. So copy that link in Notepad. So that you can share it in different social media sites. Fifth step, go to Maxbounty YouTube backlink generator, and ping your video to 50 to 100 sites. After this, make your link public. Okay, we are all done, and last what you can do is that, remember I said you to put relevant hashtags into your video with your channel name. Yes, we are now using it to get more traffic. Go to YouTube, and search for your topic, and filter the last 24 hours to 1 week ranked videos, and go each video and comment something good there with your hashtag. So that, if people click that hashtag, they will able to see your video, or YouTube channel. As YouTube doesn't allow link and comments. So, you can use hashtag comment to get more views. That's how you can promote your CPA offer free every day, and get earned. Hope you like this video, and subscribe to my channel. It's a simple trick. It's not a rocket science. Doesn't matter if you are new in internet earning platform. It's a proven way. There are tons of people doing it and make some good bucks every month. So why you are sitting behind? Come forward and start your work today and keep earning. Thanks.